Okay, let's see here. March 26th. Once again, morning light. Well, not morning. We won't call it morning light anymore. We'll call it growing light switch. I like that. Growing light switch. How do you like the light of this color, my lovely, wonderful, beautiful life and light? I think we got married last night. Isn't it so wonderfully grand? You have to see the pictures of the wedding. No, I mean really like the giant light bulb. The big flaming ball of light flipper. Like seriously, it was the greatest joyful ring and it was a heart-shaped cloud on top of it. Like here. Ain't that right? Everyone's big old great light. They don't know that they're married to you as well. They will in time. I love you, Great Light. I love you, Kenshin. I love you, Nyla. Have joyful days in light.